Hey guys, today we'll be making a super cute and girly mosaic number. What you will need, I have a large mosaic number and I have some really cute pastel colored balloons. And I have some glue dots, but I also have double-sided tape as well. You can use either one. This time I'm going to use both. I'm going to start with the double-sided tape and then I'll use my glue dots to kind of add in extra balloons as we go along. All right, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is take my double-sided tape and lie a strip down the center of my number. This is just going to give me a nice base start. I will need more, but this just gives me a nice start. And then once I get all of my tape placed, I'm going to peel off the back strip so that it's adhesive on either side. But before I pull off the adhesive, I like to place my balloons just so I can have an idea of the look that I'm going for. So I have inflated my balloons. I'm tying them in a knot. I kind of place them just to make sure they're not too wide or too small. So I'm inflating and placing my balloons so I can see what that looks like. And I'm going to have some smaller balloons, but I like to start with the slightly larger balloons first as my base, and then I add in the smaller ones throughout as accent. And then this is why I don't tape it down immediately. I kind of play around with it, adjust the colors, move things around just to see what look I like the best. Ultimately, I decided to match the color order of the balloon garland. So now that I have my colors in place, I'm going to add in some smaller balloons of the same color block. And that way it's going to kind of match the garland and everything else. So I thought that would be so cute and adorable. So I'm just going to get those smaller balloons placed. No specific order. I'm just adding a few of each color. So I have a large lavender and a couple of small lavenders. And then a large blue and smaller blues. And I'm just going to repeat this throughout the entire number. So I'm adding single balloons, but I'm also tying some balloons into pairs. And then if you want even smaller balloons, you can just have one single balloon and twist it and tie it and make it into two smaller balloons. So it just depends on the size of the balloons that you want. And I'm making some quads as well. So I have two pairs that I tie together, kind of like with the balloon garland. And then that makes like a set of 4 balloons, and I'm adding that in. So I have single balloons, I have pairs, and I have quads. You can even do triples if you'd like. So I thought this was just so cute and precious, and it just looks like cotton candy. It looks like a mini balloon garland. Sometimes I do mix up all of the colors. I've done that multiple times, and that's cute as well. But for this specific one, I wanted to color block it, and I thought that would look so cute and precious, and it definitely does. Again, I have the larger balloons, and then I have smaller single balloons. I have smaller pairs, and I even have some quads as well. And then don't forget, like I said, you can also take a single balloon and twist it to make it into smaller balloons if you choose to do so. The possibilities are endless. Just depends on what look you're going for and the balloons that you want to use. But you can just have fun with it and just adjust it and modify it to fit you. Possibilities are endless. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. Flowers, greenery. Go with whatever matches your color scheme. But I thought this was just so cute and precious, and it goes in perfectly with the balloon garland, so I thought that was just like the perfect touch. Again, just have fun with it and make it your own. But it looks so cute, simple, and easy to make.